Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and safe. Just 4 more days and we will be stepping into New Year. I hope you all have bought your own planners by now. If not, and if you think planner is too expensive, so I'm here to show you how you can make your own planner out of simple notebook which is available at your local stationery store. For this, you just need to buy a simple notebook but little bit thick as we are going to use it for 1 year. And it should be unruled. At least try to go with minimum 300 pages. I bought this from local store. It cost 120 rupees. I couldn't find square notebook, so I went with this rectangular shape, but you can go with anything you like, but make sure the notebook should be little bit thick. Now let's talk about page you will include in this DIY planner. The pages are vision board, last year review, whole page, pages for bucket list, movie, documentaries, travel, etc. Monthly page, daily page, monthly review and notes, and last is habit and mood tracker. To make this planner, you just need few colorful pens and scale. Decoration is not necessary. I had washi tape and sticky notes, so I'm using this. If you want to make your planner very basic and very simple, you can go with that. So our first page is vision board. Here you will stick your goal related photos, whatever you want to achieve this year. Along with these photos, you can write few words which resonate your goals, which will motivate you and bring spark in you. I'm not comfortable of showing my vision board, so I didn't stick any photos here, but I will give the reference here. I like to keep my vision board always on my mobile. Next page is 2021 review. Here you will ask few questions to yourself about last year. I have asked 7 questions, but you can ask as many as you want. The main purpose of this last year review is to get proper idea about your last year, what habit you formed which helped you a lot, or what mistakes you made so that you don't want to repeat that in 2022, etc. You will get lots of last year review questions on Pinterest or Google. I will write all my questions in the description box, you can check. Next page is goal setting page. In my last video, I have talked about how to set goals and achieve them in detail. I told that I always follow 4 areas, which is RCHM and others. You can check that video for more clarity. You can select your own format. Here you will write the category and goals you want to achieve this year. Next page is for bucket list, books to read, movies to watch, and travel list. I have lots of things to do this year, but honestly I'm not sure whether I can fulfill all this my bucket list or not because of this coronavirus, but I'm sure that at least I can fulfill my books to read, movies to watch category. What is the most exciting thing you added to your bucket list in this year? Comment down below. Next page is for monthly plan. Every month you will follow the same format. Basically you will add calendar, goals of the month, to-do list, appointments, birthdays, etc. If you want, you can add few more categories. I have made lots of bullet journal videos. You can check those videos for reference, or you can visit my Pinterest page where you will get to see lots of monthly page formats. The next page is daily page. Here each column means each day. This is little bit boring job to do. You have to draw this for 31 days. I will suggest you to make this daily page every month. If you want to do it till December, it is going to take too much time and you will get bored very easily. So better you do this every month. It will just take half an hour to do. Now every column you will write your top 3 priorities, to-do list, meal plan, notes, and rate your day. You can add anything you like. You can check my digital planner video where in daily planning page you will get lots of options. Now move on to habit tracker and mood tracker. You will select habits you want to track this year. Then you will draw 31 boxes for 31 days. Here I have added only 4 habits, but you can go with as many as you want. In mood tracker category, in X axis you will draw days, and in Y axis you will write mood. Basically it will look like this. And last is monthly review and notes, where you will ask yourself few questions like, did you work for your goal in this month, or good habit you built in this month, etc. And in notes you can write anything you want. So this is my DIY planner. I hope you all like this video. If you have any questions or any queries, please comment down below. I'll be happy to help you. And Happy New Year in advance. Next year I have lots of amazing plans for YouTube. You will see variety of videos and I'll be more consistent. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.